देश है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी देश हित में बड़े और कड़े निर्णय लेने से कभी पीछे नहीं हटती।
India's mammoth election season has officially kicked off, and all eyes are on this man as he's on the cusp of a third term as Prime Minister. Across 43 days, more than 1 billion Indians are casting their vote for the next government. And Narendra Modi is crisscrossing the country, holding rally after rally to convince voters to bring him back to power. But people don't really need much convincing. If anything, Modi's popularity has only increased in the last decade. In alliance with 18 regional parties, the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance won 346 seats out of 543 in 2019.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी
Modi's return to office in 2019 was one of the biggest pro-incumbency mandates in the country's history. This time, Modi has set a mammoth target of winning more than 400 seats.
अब की बार 400 पार।
But that target doesn't seem unachievable given the legwork that the BJP has done. The party has expanded its organizational strength, campaigns all 365 days of the year, and has the biggest trump card in Modi.
थर्ड टर्म टॉप 3 इकोनॉमी पे पहुंच के रहेगा भारत, और ये मोदी की गारंटी है।
In the last 10 years, Modi has addressed the hopes and aspirations of Indians by being a responsive, visionary leader. He has set India on the growth trajectory, strengthened his credibility among the poor sections through timely delivery of benefits, and gained the trust of the public. When Narendra Modi came to power in 2014, it was on the back of corruption and irregularities in the then UPA government. But in his decade in power, Modi's record has been unblemished. But Modi's tenure hasn't always been a smooth ride. Questions were raised on the government over a spike in inflation and increased fuel prices, the hardships faced by the people during demonetization, and the chaos of the COVID pandemic. But Modi turned each crisis into an opportunity. With his out-of-the-box thinking, Modi has proven that he is a man of solutions. Challenging Modi this election is a coalition of 28 parties who call themselves the INDIA bloc. They have accused the BJP of using government agencies to cripple them through raids, intimidation, freezing bank accounts, and in some cases, sending their leaders to jail.
किसी कंपनी पर सीबीआई इंक्वायरी होती है, ईडी की इंक्वायरी होती है, कुछ ही दिन बाद वो कंपनी बीजेपी को पैसा देती है और सीबीआई इंक्वायरी खत्म हो जाती है।
The opposition has also accused the Modi government of using Hindu nationalism to stoke religious tensions in the country. But BJP denies enacting discriminatory policies and says it works for the benefit of all Indians. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is the motto of the party. From revoking special status of Jammu and Kashmir to passing a citizenship law and making the Ram Mandir a reality, the Modi government has always walked the talk.
आज हमारे राम आ गए हैं।
In 10 years of power, brand Modi has turned India into a confident nation which is inching closer to a superpower status.